FTSE100 has given a good breakout last week when it has achieved 7680, 7700 levels, the support levels there. So does this mean that it has turned bearish, and can we expect it to trade bearish from here? Which position you should take trading FTSE100 next week in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the daily analysis of major global markets and commodities. So let's start. In this analysis, first we'll look into candlestick charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategies, so do watch till the end. Now first, let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can clearly see first is these two red candles. There was a reversal sign, then it is consolidated for a while, traded in range, and then this two breakout candles. Also, one more important point in these two breakout candles is the previous candle with a little tail. It means it is leaving a scope for it to continue with the downtrend. Also, one must not forget that this zone here at 770, 7680 is a support zone for FTSE 100, because below that there is going to be the next support, which is a 7620, 7600 and then 7500 levels. This is going to be a very important support. Let's see if it continues the journey till then. Right now it has given certainly a breakout, and this is the second red candle. Probably a third red candle might follow, taking it till towards 7600, which is very strong support levels for FTSE 100. So yes, it is a trend breaker which we had seen, and it was trading in this bullish channel. It has certainly come out of this trend. So this is not a good sign for FTSE 100 as of now. Also, if you look at, this is a peak and 8000 levels already it has achieved. Now it is trying to look down. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, last couple of weeks were the all-time high levels for FTSE 100 here, and this time it has given a sharp breakout and it has come back to this previous support levels. Now I'll wait for it. Certainly 7600 levels are going to be a very important support level. If it stays below the zone, certainly more bearishness may prevail, because below 7600 it is 7500 and 7400, these two levels, and below that a crash might happen. But right now it is still not to be considered for a crash. You can see it is still trying to prevail on the weekly chart. This is still the bottom here, and if you see it trading below 7600, then only we can expect that it is turned bearish and it is trying to give you a breakout on the downside. So this is first point. Also, one must observe, see one red, a smaller green candle, one bigger red candle. Probably from here we can see couple of red candles which might extend the drop till towards 7400, 7200, but this is a little far away. However, achievable levels here. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. On the monthly charts, if we have seen in the previous week, it traded bullish. However, look at the body size. The body size was very minuscule compared to the complete length of the travel there. This means there is a downward push which is trying to keep the prices lower here. Now last week what has happened, lower highs and lower lows are done, which means that, see, it is still not to be considered bearish. This candle is going to remain important. If it stays below 7600, consider stay short, close your eyes, stay short. We might see 7600 is going to play a very important role, and below that there is going to be sharper drop there. And basically this candle, how far it can stretch, that we need to look at. If you see this, not talking about the next candle, but this candle right now, it is still very much in a comfortable levels, not to be considered bearish as of now. But yes, if you see it trading below 7650, stay short for 7600 levels, and below that further drop might take it a little lower levels this month itself. So you have to be watchful and cautious. Now let's have a look with the help of the indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting here? Now look at the indicators. See, it is trading just marginally above the 100 period moving average, the exponential and simple moving average, giving it a support at 7680, 7700 levels. Also, it is trading outside the Bollinger. It is trading outside the Bollinger bands, which might see a pull out here. Though the candle, when next week it starts, definitely we may see the Bollinger band getting expanded. So yes, there is a probability that there could be a support at 7680 and it might get a pullback. However, look at this, the 20, 50, 100 period moving averages have now started moving down. Also look at the super trend. It has generated a sell signal here with the resistance at 7980 levels. So this means till the time stays below this zone, certainly we can remain bearish. This is a strong signal on the daily chart. So super trend on the daily charts, after staying green for a while, now has generated a sell signal, which is a good sign that you can stay short. Now on the other hand, the stochastic on the daily chart has come to oversold levels, which means there could be a little pullback before it starts its downward journey. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is looking down. See from what levels it is almost come back to oversold zone and it is still looking down here. The stochastic, the RSI is also vertically fallen and has come to near to oversold levels. Now look at the weekly chart. On the weekly charts, interestingly, the super trend is still a buy, and yes, it is trading above the 20, 50, 100 weeks average, which is situated right now at around 7650 levels, 7600 levels, certainly a good support level. This is the 20 weeks average here. If you look at the stochastic, this was trading over bought and now it is dropped considerably. Also look at the MACD. This is trying to converge crossover for a sell, and this time if it does, probably we may see it trading bearish for a little while. Right now it is still in green and it should not be considered a bearish or near term bearish at all right now. Stochastic also has seen a good drop and it is looking down. Now look at the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, yes, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands. We have got a pullback there. You can see double candles getting the push there from the extremes of the Bollinger Bands. At the same time, the downside support is little far away. And yes, on the monthly chart, the super trend is still in green with the support levels little far away. But look at the stochastic. This was oversold and now looking overbought and now looking downside, means indicating that there could be a little more drop. And this time, if it drops, it might drop significantly. Now look at the MACD on the monthly charts has again achieved high, probably looking forward to converge, and there could be sharper candles in the coming months which might bring the prices lower, as it is tried to see. Whenever FTSE has gone to these levels, it has got a stronger pushback on the downside, and this is the history of last 13 years or 15 years. Yet, yes, it has sustained a little higher prices earlier, but this time in last 10-15 years, it has failed to do so, which means that there could be a little push. Now look at the RSI. This is also looking down, indicating slight bearishness as of now. Considering this, now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can profit trading FTSE 100 next week. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 13th batch starts, 20th batch starts on 30th of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are available in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Now, let's have a look at the levels to buy. Yes, you can buy at 7725. Then one can expect 7750 as the next destination. And beyond that, 7780, 7820. These two levels you should watch out for. Only and only if it stays above this zone at 7820, we can expect that there is going to be little more bullishness, which might take it for 7880, 7900, and beyond that 7940 levels to be seen, and then 7980. Till it stays below 7980, there should not be any bullishness here. I am giving these levels for next couple of weeks also. You have to be watchful and observant here. Yes, it can retrace. However, 7800 levels you should watch out for, and rather I will say till 7900 also you should be careful. I think even if it tries to retrace, it should not break 7900 levels. Now on the downside, rather you can sell here at 7675 levels. Below that directly we may see 7620, rather in between 7640, 7620, and then 7600. Now you have to be careful of 7600, 7580. Till here, till 7580, be careful, trade with caution. And because once it draws below 7580, it can show you accelerated bearishness, taking for 7550, 7500 level the next stronger support, and below that it can try to directly hit at 7400 levels. Now see, it is trying to trade bearish. Last week was a stronger bearish breakout. It can try to retrace a bit, and that means 7800 levels should be a very good resistance, and then continue with its bearish trend. There is a probability exists for this, and hence trade with caution, trade with stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Market appears to be have taken a turn here, but then be watchful of these levels. Till 7600 is respected, you have to be careful. Below that, certainly more bearishness may prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are available in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.